Fuck you. Hey guys, how do you do a fucking intro? Yo, what's good, y'all? It's 21 Boy. It is been. We ain't drop a fucking banger in a minute. I ain't gonna lie, cause it's like I just haven't. I don't. Now I'm starting to build my project car, cause I haven't been doing anything to my cars lately. So that's why I haven't been making no content. No point to make pointless content. Today, our new objective is gonna put on some new wheels. Okay. I ain't gonna lie, I've really been missing the camera a lot, and I've been missing editing, so it's definitely, I was just about to put these on and just not record it, because it's just like, so like I said, I've been missing the camera a lot. I've been missing editing, all this, that, and the third. It's getting colder out now, so yeah, it's just time to start editing and stuff like that. I'm starting to build my build. I'm starting to finally build my Subaru, and the last video I had, it was getting it back. It was a little intro of the new project car, if you didn't catch the hint in the other previous video. But we're gonna start the project build, you know what I'm saying? So let's get started. Hope it's unlocked. One wheel fits? What? Alright, so I got the wheels in my car. Got one right here, two over here, one in the trunk. Two couldn't fit in the trunk, whatever. So I'm about to put the wheels on right now, and yeah, let me get y'all a little launch control action. I ain't gonna launch the car. Alright, so this is the setup right now. We got 1, 2, 3, 4 on each side. We got wooden planks on the back of each wheel. On the back of each wheel, we got the stands on each side. We're gonna jack up the middle of the car so we can just gonna put on these wheels, blase blase. Yeah, so the old wheels I was running was, as you can see, right there, that was the old wheels I was running, and I actually do like them. So I'm gonna put them on for daily driving, you know. So yeah, that was the old setup. It's the new setup, and yeah. Oh shit. Yeah. Alright, so I was thinking of a long-term build because they stick out a bit. So I was thinking long-term build. They are not flushed, they sticks out, as you see. So I was thinking in the future, I'm gonna get a fender because I want my car fender. I want to have fenders on my car so I can have a little wider. I want bags, but I'm gonna get coilovers because I can't afford bags no more. So definitely sticks out just a bit. I didn't want to buy wheels twice, so definitely gonna get fenders soon. So yeah, now we just need fenders. Alright, so now we got the front. Let's tackle the back. Should be alright. Finished product, you feel me? Definitely poking out, as you can see. The back is cool for the most part for right now, but the front, goddamn. I'm gonna get some cinematic shots later because we're getting we're gonna get some cinematic shots later. We're getting our wing splitter. We're getting our wing John. So we put our wheels on. It looks great. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. It's poking out a little bit, so if it just pushes me to get fenders. I was gonna get fenders first, but that means I'll just wait for the wheels. So I decided to get the wheels first from fitmentindustries.com. Not sponsored by them, but got the wheels from them and I love them. I'm not gonna lie, I love them so much. So we're gonna get some fenders. We're gonna get some spacers in the probably in the front and the back because the spacers gonna have to come out. But I mean to fit the fenders. But for the most part, I was definitely thinking about the future because I wanted this car to be, this car is gonna be here forever. So channel or no channel, this car will be here forever. So yeah, I love it. It's just gotta get lowered now because it's killing me the way how high it's sitting. So, but for right now, it shouldn't rub because it is on the stock suspension and it should be fine. Hopefully, if not, if it rubs, I'm probably just gonna park it. So yeah. Get some, like I said before, we'll get some cinematic shots later because we're gonna get the wing stabilizers. That's what they're called, and that's gonna look good too on the black trunk. So yeah, that gap is killing me though. That gap is horrible, but for the most part, it looks great. We're gonna get some stabilizers soon. And I'm gonna put 2 in the middle, like boom boom. And that's gonna be like, sheesh, you feel me? That shit hot, but that gap, bro, that gap.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.